Hello there. In this tutorial I'm going to show how to transfer schema master. So schema master, currently I want to change schema master, two roles which own only by one server in the entire forest, only by one domain in the entire forest is naming and schema. So currently schema, if you open MMC Microsoft Management Console, go to file, add and remove snap-in, and you will find the schema thing is not available. The schema thing is actually not available in the entire graphical options. You will not get even in the MMC console. The reason is that the schema thing is hidden by Microsoft. The reason because it's a sensitive thing, and doing updates with schema is not that good enough, because it might corrupt your schema updates, since schema is a collection of attributes and class in the domain. Now I have to give a command to actually open the schema. So reg svr32 schmmgmt.dll. this is the command. To run, you have to give a command reg svr32 schmmgmt.dll, and you find the dll register server in ss means succeed. So now, run tab, give a MMC Microsoft Management Console. I want to add a snap-in of schema. So Active Directory schema, add. Now there we go, we got the option of schema. Now Active Directory schema, right click and you will find this option, classes and attributes. Now we already said that schema is a collection of classes and attributes, so that's the reason it's available, and it's a very sensitive thing. Once it get corrupted, it might hurt the forest. So you need a programmer to update schema. Now just to change a directory server, we have to change over, goes to right click, let me show you operation masters. Now you find the operation master. Currently we are logged on with DC1 and we want to transfer, and currently we are logged on with DC1 and the ownership of schema is also with DC1. Okay, so we have to change the domain controller. I click change active domain controller, and then what we need to do is either you do with your child domain, change over the child domain, or you can do a changement with Active Directory additional domain. So I'm just saying child domain. You can say Active Directory not connected to schema, you will not able to perform changes, so give us a message. I'm saying okay with. Now operation masters, you find the current schema is on DC1, the ownership is with DC1, and now we are logged on with DC2. Either you can do this with logged in with FSMO, or you can change it by changing Active Directory domain controller. And you can see schema master is transferred, and is transferred to dcpost.techengineer.tv, which is our child domain of this forest. So there we go. This is how we transfer schema. If you want the schema master ownership back, you can claim it once again by making the same changes. Goes to right click, check Active Directory server, and then Tech Engineer TV, right click this domain controller, dc1.techengineer.tv. okay, again it's giving us since it's a very sensitive thing. Operation change, yes, You see the requested FSM operations failed. The current operation FSM role holder. Let me goes to login with the FSM role. Refreshing it might be okay. Let me change once again. Yes, operation master successfully transferred. So here we go. This is how we changed schema master roles. So hope you learned something about how to make changements, and this is how schema master role changed. Hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching.